show you how you can be able to plot the PPF, which is known to be the production possibility frontier or the production possibility curve. So the production possibility frontier is a mathematical economic model that shows us the maximum possible amount of production we can be able to obtain, right, of two different goods, provided that we have used the most efficient methods of production, right, with the available scarce factor resources. So I'll just insert the units of cell phones produced within a month in this economy on the vertical axis. Now I'm just going to draw my straight vertically sloped line, and also along with the horizontally sloped straight line, right? So on the vertical axis we have cell phones, and on the horizontal axis we have computers. Now let's come back to insert the units. We have 400 cell phones that we can possibly obtain, right, to produce in this economy, and we have 750 cell phones and 1,000 cell phones. And then on the other hand, right, horizontal axis, we have 200 computers, 400 computers, and 600 computers. So point A will be here, where we are producing 1,000 cell phones and 0 units of computers. That is point A. And point B will be 750, right, versus 200 units of computers. That is point B. And point C, 400 cell phones and 400 computers. And then where we are now producing 600 units of computers per month, it is said that we will be producing 0 units of cell phones. That is point D. Now we just need to join those dots, right? Okay. As you can see now that our curve is negatively bowed out. So we have a negatively bowed out PPF in this example, and I will then like to just explain to you, right, what is really or truly being shown or illustrated by the PPF. So the PPF is trying to address a problem of scarcity to us. So beyond, right, the PPF line or curve, which is this one, right, this point here is unattainable, right? And the points along here, the PPC, are attainable and efficient. Between point A, B, C, and D, it is possible for us to achieve or obtain those units, right? And then inside the PPF, right, this point is attainable. Any point inside is attainable, but, right, it also represents to us that there is a misallocation of scarce resources available to us. Some of the resources are said to be wasted in this example, because we can possibly be able to obtain any point along the PPF line which is greater than, of course, the points inside the PPC. Okay, so now moving on, I would like to make this few emphasis to you guys. So if we are producing 1,000 computers in 0 units, 1,000 I mean cell phones in 0 units of computers, right? So we are at point A. Now what would be the opportunity cost of producing at point A? So the opportunity cost of producing at point A would be 600 computers, point D, right? So what we are saying is, what if Now we allocate all the available scarce resources in the production of the other units, right, of the other good, which is computers, then we can possibly obtain 600 computers. So remember, the opportunity cost is defined to be, right, the value of the next best alternative forgone. Okay, so do not make or confuse yourself. So there are no calculations as yet that we need to do or apply in this example. Now I will then come back to explain in detail to you guys how we can be able to find or calculate the opportunity cost, provided that we are now moving from point B to point C. Okay.